And now a 60-second tip from Spirit of a Handyman. I was using this stain plus poly for a handrail stain at my investment house. Gratefully, I kept back a couple sample pieces that I could test the stain on. So here is my first attempt to put the stain on. I used a rag for this, but the downside is I shook the can right before using, and then I read on the back of the can in all caps, "Do not shake." So this is what it did. It left these little ringlet air bubbles on one side. Not sure why it didn't do it on the other side. Maybe I applied it too thinly. So the next time I used a brush, applied it a little more liberally, and still left those bubbles in a really painful way. So tried it again without shaking the can, just stirred it gently, and it left a really beautiful finish. So the hot tip is read the entire can, and next time you use a stain, stir, don't shake.